Hello guys, let's find why is pi equals to 180 degrees. So, we know that pi is just a number. It's just 3.14159 and so on. But how does this seemingly random number equals to 180 degrees in terms of angle? Well, first we're going to have to look at the unit circle. So, by unit circle, it means the radius is 1. So, meaning that the circumference will be 2 pi into 1 because the circumference is just 2 pi r. And I'm just going to be looking at the circumference as this will help answer the question right here. So let's say you're at a point in this circle over here and you go all around that circle and go back to the same point. That means you have just taken one loop around the circle, meaning that you have covered the circumference. You have covered the total perimeter of the circle, which is 2 pi. So that is in terms of radian. But what about in terms of degrees or angle? Well, this is where the fun part begins. Because now imagine you just at a point like this. So what does it mean to go a full circle? Well, it means to go 360 degrees. That means when you take one full turn and come back to the original position facing the original way, that means you just did a 360 degree turn. So we can conclude that 2 pi is equals to 360 degrees. And what does it mean to go, well, just pi? Well, it's just simply dividing by 2, right? Pi is equals to 180 degrees. We proved that. But conceptually, let's say you draw the radius like this, and this will be the diameter. So for 360 degrees, you start out, let's say, at an angle over here, go all the way over here, and come back to the original position. This is 360 degrees. And this is also why a 360 degree looks like a circle. And if you go at 180 degrees, well, you start out over here and you just end up at the halfway point. Meaning, what you're doing is you're starting right here and you're turning 180 degrees. Like this. So, that is why pi is equals to 180 degrees. Because when you go 180 degrees around a circle, you go halfway. You go halfway of the circle, which is just half of the circumference. So c by 2, which is 2 pi by 2, is equals to pi. So that is why pi is equals to 180 degrees, which is just fun. And similarly, you can prove pi by 2 90 degrees, pi by 45 degrees, because at this point, you just have the answer that pi is equals to 180 degrees. And if you learn something new, please like and subscribe. Thank you.